Hi, almost 90% of women experience skin changes during pregnancy, but since they're unaware of what changes they're going to expect, so they get disappointed. And this particular video is especially for all you mothers to be, to make you understand what skin changes you should expect if you're pregnant. I'm Dr. Nivedita Dadu. I'm a dermatologist practicing in Delhi. The video is divided in two parts. In the first section, I will be telling you the skin changes that happens to almost everyone, even if somebody is not pregnant, but it can aggravate if you are pregnant. And the second part includes all the skin changes that can happen to only people who are pregnant. So let's move on to the first section of this video, which includes the skin changes that may aggravate in pregnancy. The most common skin change is hyperpigmentation. Most women notice a lot of pigmentation. There's generalized pigmentation. There could be pigmentation of certain body parts like the neck, the underarms, and the private parts. Another common type of pigmentation in pregnancy is chloasma, also known as the mask of pregnancy or melasma. In this pigmentation, you will see that there are patches of pigmentation on the cheeks, the forehead, and the upper lip. Most of these pigmentations fade after delivery, and there are certain other skin issues that you may notice if you are pregnant. You may notice that your acne has increased during your pregnancy, the hair fall has increased, the facial hair has increased, the skin tags have increased during pregnancy. Also, if you are atopic, then you may notice that the atopic dermatitis, which is a problem in which people have dry skin, eczema, and rashes, then that can also increase when you are pregnant. Certain other skin issues that you may notice are warts. And if you have genital warts, then you will see that the warts are increasing in size. And this happens because of increased blood supply in the genital area. Spider angiomas are another common skin issues that happen in pregnancy. There are spider veins that radiate from a central point and resemble the legs of a spider, which is why they are named so. And spider angiomas will also reduce after delivery. If you're finding the video informative, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Dadu Medical Center. And if you know somebody who's pregnant, please share the video to spread awareness. Now let's move on to the second section of this video, which is the pregnancy specific dermatosis. The first one is Besnias prurigo or prurigo of pregnancy. This specific dermatosis happens in the first trimester of pregnancy, and the pregnant women may experience rashes and eczema and allergies on the arms, legs, and the belly. This specific dermatosis is more common in people with atopic dermatitis. The second common pregnancy specific dermatosis is pruritic urticarial papules and plaques of pregnancy, also known as PUP. PUP is more common in areas like the stretch marks and the belly, and this happens in the third trimester of pregnancy. Third important pregnancy specific dermatosis is pemphigoid gestationis. In pemphigoid gestationis, pregnant women will notice pustular eruptions on the arms and legs, which are very itchy and sometimes painful. The fourth pregnancy specific dermatosis is intrahepatic cholestasis of pregnancy. In this problem, women may notice sudden itching on the palms and soles, which may later spread on the other body parts. And in this problem, 20% women will also have a deranged liver function test, and which is why it is important that all women with excessive itching be tested for liver function tests. If you or your loved ones are facing any such skin disorders of pregnancy which are bothering you, then please see your nearest experienced and qualified dermatologist for expert opinion. If you found the video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Dadu Medical Center, and press the bell icon for latest updates.